So hello everybody. Today we have a nice product here by Tonor. It's a T20 studio boom arm. A nice product, very useful to vloggers, to studio recordings and in many other environments. I like to unbox this today for you. So let's see what we have in this box today. Well, here in front we have the pop filter, very necessary to every nice one, to every microphone for filtering the noise, environmental noises. Yes, we'll put it aside and we'll deal with it a little bit later. Here we have a T20 studio boom arm instruction manual, of course. It's not very complicated, but if you have some doubts in how do you have to mount this and to use it properly, you can study the instruction manual. What we have here we have some stripes that we can tie to the microphone, to the cables, and that's so. We have also a microphone filter, so we can put it on the microphone, of course. What do we have here? Another stripe. Well, here we have the base of the microphone. Well, we put it aside and mount it a little bit later. It's a nice one. And here, of course, we have the main products, and I mean the arm itself. So this is it, and now we'll see how we will mount it so we can use it. Okay, now we're preparing for the phase 2 of our unboxing. We'll put aside every unuseful things for now. We won't use this. We'll use them later. And we'll begin to mount the microphone arm. A very nice microphone arm, and useful. So this is how we have to unscrew this a little bit more. Well, we put it like this on the desk, every desk, on every table, or anything that is stable. Well, a bit here. Yes, it's pretty tight. And put the arm like this. And voila! Here we have a nice, beautiful arm. And we can do anything with it. We can be standing, or we can also be seated and have the microphone on whatever we want to. Well, let's put the nut on the arm stand. It's not as difficult as it seems, but I'm a little bit unhandy for today. Well, like this. Unscrew this. Oh yes. of course, the pop-up filter. We can mount it wherever we want to. I'll put it like this. Of course, it must be mounted on in front of the microphone, like this. And this way, the noise is made by the sounding objects or anything else will be filtered a little, like this. This is Tonor T20 microphone arm. Thank you for now. See you later.